Next up, let's add a product gallery to highlight our best sellers. To do this, click on the plus icon on the left side of the editor. Go to Theme sections and browse through until you find a layout that fits. Once you've added it, you can move the section around by simply dragging it to a new position on the page. If there are any default sections you don't need, just right-click on them and select Delete to keep things tidy. Once the section is in place, click onto a card and look at the top right corner. You'll see the option to switch between Placeholder and Shopify. Go ahead and select Shopify, then click Select Source to pull in product or collection data directly from your store. From here, you can choose to pull content from either your products or collections. I'll choose Products and then select one of our watches. You'll notice the product appears in the section, but some of the details like the image and text haven't updated yet. That's because we still need to tell the app to use Shopify data for each field. So let's start with the product image. Click on it, scroll down the Settings panel on the right, and click on the field under Image. Then, choose the Shopify tab. This will automatically pull the product image from your Shopify store. Now do the same for the title. Click on the text block, scroll down, click the database icon, and set the source to title. You'll see it update in real time, pulled directly from your store's product page. I also want to integrate the price, so let's copy that same text block, paste it right below, and repeat the same steps. But this time, choose price as the source instead of title. This way, both your product name and price stay synced with your Shopify store. If you want to change the background color of any card, just click on it. Scroll down on the right-hand panel, go to Fill, and select the color that fits your brand. This method keeps everything synced and saves time, especially useful when you're updating or swapping out products later. Just repeat the same process for each product card to make sure all the details pull through from your Shopify store. Let's keep going and drop in a comparison chart. These are great if your collection has multiple tiers or styles. I'll add a new section from the Instant Library and set it up like this. Cairo Verge versus Standard Watch Brands. Then I'll list out some key differences. These little touch points help boost credibility and guide buying decisions. Moving on, let's add a reviews section. You can use a pre-built layout from the library or build your own with a few quote blocks and star ratings. Here are a few customer highlights we'll feature. Feels way more expensive than it is. The finish is stunning. Already got compliments. Lightweight, sleek, and doesn't scratch. I'm obsessed. Wore it to an event and got asked where I bought it. Twice. To edit these, just click on each section, quotes, stars, text, and make your changes directly in the editor. Next, let's add a frequently asked questions section to handle common customer questions. This helps reduce hesitation and builds trust before purchase.